Today, in Copenhagen, it's raining, which only means one thing. Museums. We're going to go in as many museums as we can, which is probably going to be about 2. So, here we go. So this place is an immersive art place. We're in a big ball pit, so that's cool. Laura's completely immersed. I'm laying on top. It's called Icono? Icono. Check it out. So the Icono Museum. Icono Museum. It's cool. I liked it. It was like that the Japanese Planet Labs kind of thing, kind of vibe. It was cool. I liked it. What do you think, Laura?
I liked it.
Laura liked it. What would you rate it out of 10?
8.5.
8.5 out of 10. You heard it here first, folks. 8.5 out of 10. Currently, we're in the Copenhagen Round Tower. Originally, it was built in the 17th century and was used to observe the stars for astronomy and stuff. It's a big walk. You get to the top, it's a nice observatory, see all of Copenhagen, so that's nice. It's about £4 each to get in. Is it worth it? Yeah. Yeah, it is. There's a little museum-y thing inside. We didn't really look at that. It was a bit boring. But, yeah, it's cool. I rate it 7 out of 10. Second museum stop of the day, planetarium. Planets, stars, aliens, all that kind of stuff. Let's go check it out. Planetarium, I give it a 5 out of 10. There wasn't really much museum-iness to it. It was just kind of like a big cinema kind of thing. Think of like the Sphere in Las Vegas, that kind of domey thing, which was kind of cool and interesting, but at the same time, it wasn't much museum-iness, so 5 out of 10. So being in Denmark, you gotta try the s'mores board, whatever it's called. We got 4. We got potato, chicken salad, sweet Danish meatball, and roast pork. Hopefully they're good. They're like little sandwiches. Well, not really a sandwich, it's like toast, right? Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's exactly what you say it is. Stuff on toast. I'm disappointed with my s'mores board. It was very flavorless, very bland, not very good. I'd give it just a boring out of 10. Laura tried a little bit. What was your thoughts?
Not good.
Not good, she says. Not good. Jordan out.